How to install Google Sheet on Android. Ever wished you could update budget, edit tables, install Google Sheet on your phone? Installing Google Sheet on your phone lets you work from the bus, cafe, or even bed. No limits. Firstly, open your Play Store, go on the search bar and search for. There you can see Excel Viewer, Excel Reader. Here you can see Google Sheet by Google Limited. Simply tap on it and tap on install. Then after, make sure your internet connection is stable. Like this, you have downloaded your Google Sheet in no time. Are you ready to spreadsheet from anywhere? Install it, sign in, and